ever wanted to do a masterclass on rocketry? And it will be with ISRO scientists and also at lowest price in the whole world. Therefore, Hex-Star Universe is presenting to you a masterclass on rocketry on 20th of August.
Thank you everyone for participating. Now I've got really good news for everyone who are really interested in rocketry. We are launching a new masterclass session on rocketry with a former ISRO scientist, Professor Elangovan. It will be a 3 days paid masterclass starting from 20th of August, continuing till 22nd of August. And it will cost ₹250 only. This is the first time in India that you can participate in a masterclass at such a low price. So don't miss the chance. Hurry up because seats are filling really fast. Other details are provided in the description as well as in the comment section and also in all our social media accounts. Now I have brought to you a really exciting news. Now you can get 100% free premium access for this session. You just have to complete 2 tasks given on our website www.hexuniverse.com. Task 1 is that you have to follow us on all our social media platforms, and task 2 is that you have to refer to at least 2 of your friends to register for the masterclass. And after the registration, you have to fill up the form provided under task 2 on our website, and then after verification from our side, you'll receive the premium access. This offer is only applicable for people who haven't registered yet, and also people whom you will refer to won't be able to avail this offer. So hurry up and register yourself soon. Thank you everyone.